Today what we're going to do is we're going to have a review on, yeah, that was good, on Toufayan Bakeries Organic Sprouted Whole Wheat Smart Pockets. And what it is, instead of these being around and you cut them in half, these are already cut for you, you see? Like this. So I'm going to open them up. And what we're going to do, place inside, we're going to put in the rest of my pumpkin soup. This is already a complete meal by itself, mixed in with a little bit of delicious sprouted wheat, and it's going to make a nice little snack for dinner. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! And as a side, these are stuffed mushrooms. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we do is we tear this little strip off, like this. And this is kind of cool. They have a little way you can pull this out, just like they're individually wrapped. And I'm just going to cut them in half. Not the easiest thing to do either. Okay, I'm going to put these other three inside of here. So they'll be ready later. And I'm going to pull two for my dinner tonight. Okay, so it says a new way to make a sandwich. Easily open, soft and pliable, convenient enough for on the go, eating delicious, only 100 calories. And it says here, 100 calories, 1 gram from fat, 0 unsaturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 290 milligrams of sodium, total carbohydrates is 18 grams, dietary fiber 4 grams, no sugar, 5 grams of protein. So it has thiamine, niacin, folate, riboflavin, iron, and it doesn't have any vitamin A or vitamin C. I'm going to put these away in my fridge. This package is 9 ounces. Okay, the next step we do is we're going to warm up the soup. We're going to warm this up too. And then we're just going to use 2 of these, and these were delicious. That was the advantage of having the sauce ahead of time. Alright, so we're going to warm up the soup next, and we'll be... Alright, so this is what you do. Take yourself a ripe avocado, and you use a spoon. You stick it inside of your pocket. Put it on the bottom. If you like avocados, this is not a problem. Then you just take 1 heaping teaspoon or a tablespoon and you stick it inside. Now the reason why you don't want to pour this all in there is because it's liquidy and it's just going to squish out when you eat it. And then you can take the rest of your avocado and put it on your plate. Or you can do like what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to scoop it out and take it and eat this. Avocado is a fat. It's good for your skin. There's so many good things. It's good in guacamole. No reason why you shouldn't eat it. To keep this part better, keep the pit inside of it, put a little lime juice on it, and this will prevent it from turning black. I can tell you it's going to be gone before tomorrow. Alright, so for dinner I'm having these 2 simple little sandwiches there with the avocado and a little bit of, I'm having my toasted mushrooms with chard and hummus. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.